In this video, I'm going to talk about how to do affiliate marketing without website for beginners. You can use a free organic traffic method to generate affiliate commissions. Look at this website, guys, and this website is generating over 1.17 billion organic traffic every single month. 1.17 billion. And you can see United States and UK are the number one and number two countries in this website traffic is coming from. So you can promote your affiliate offers and you can make commission out of it. I'm going to show you how you can do that, where you can get the free contents, how you can post a content, how you can put the affiliate link, and how you can make money. So if you are beginners and looking to make affiliate commission, this is one of the best way. So watch the video until the end. And again, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day. Also, if you watch the video until the end and you can win £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and share this video, guys. Before we begin the steps, you need to understand what is this website about. This website is called LinkedIn. Everyone know about that. LinkedIn is one of the best places to get network. So you can register free account with them. So you can contact, you can get mentors from LinkedIn. But here you can post the content, you can post photos, you can post videos, you can set up an event, and you can write an article about it. This is the important part. Like other social media, you can interact with viewers, you can post content, you can give them value. So the value will bring more viewers, and if they click the link and they buy the affiliate products, you're gonna make money. So I'm gonna show you how you can write an article without writing articles, and where you can get this free product and how you can promote your affiliate link, guys. Before that, smash the like button on the bottom of the video. So here you can create a free account with them. You can use a Facebook if you want, or you can create a separate account with them. And what you do, after you come to your dashboard, you're going to click this called write an article, and it will take to this page. I already copy and paste the article, where again you can see if you click this one, right click and write an article, and it will take to this page. It's a completely blank page. You can add the pictures you want, you can add the headline, and you can add the paragraph that you want, guys. All you have to do is, now you need to have some articles. You don't have to write any article, guys. Before I'm going to show you the website where you can get the articles and how you can get your affiliate links, you need to decide what kind of product that you want to promote. So then we can find what kind of articles or similar article for your niche. So LinkedIn is more in business related place too, so you can interact with more people doing business. So I recommend you write an articles about business, that mean online business or writing ebook, something like that. Okay, in this case I'm going with affiliate marketing, so you're going to promote affiliate marketing. So what you have to do, first go to ClickBank, Digistore, or MaxPound. You're going to find affiliate marketing related in product on those affiliate website. Here this is the one of the product, and you can see there's a number one in the Gravity, and this is called Affiliaroma, number one affiliate marketing training portal, and this is the actual website. So if you promote this product and if they bought it, and you can make $113 as your commission. Now what you're going to do, now you're going to find your affiliate product. Now you need to find an article that is related to affiliate marketing. So you're going to go to a website called killerplarticle.com, or you can find this article any PLR article website. Here you can go under the affiliate section, and you're gonna get these articles for free. So you can post this article, copy and post this article on LinkedIn every single day, and you can insert your affiliate link. And I'm gonna show you how. What you're gonna do, you're gonna select the article that you want to post. Here this is the article I want to post. It's about 3 things all affiliate marketing marketers need to know or need to survive online. So this is the title and this is the paragraph. What you have to do, copy and paste the paragraph on here. This is the title and this is the paragraph. Okay, after you did that, what you're going to do, go to your affiliate network and you're going to click promote this button, or Digistore. You can find your affiliate link, copy that affiliate link. This is the affiliate link, you copy that and go to your article here, and you need to insert some sentence like learn how to make money online as an affiliate, as something like that. Click that and you're going to insert this one here, link button here, and you're going to paste the URLs here, and you can click apply, and you're going to repeat that 1 or 2 times particularly the paragraph. Don't spam the paragraph or spam the articles. Just put 1 or 2 times is enough. After you copy and paste that, you can click publish and your article will be published automatically. So you need to give this a title for your post. So again, we're gonna go to that. I'm gonna copy the title here, come back to LinkedIn and post it on here, and you're gonna put hashtag affiliate marketing, as many as a hashtag you can put there. So I'm going with the 3 of them. So make money online, that's it. And you can put the, again, I don't have any pictures, but if you want, you can put the pictures and click publish, and your article will be published on LinkedIn, guys. Now you're gonna do this every single day. Don't just expect to make money with one single articles. You need to publish article, or you need to post content in this LinkedIn every single day. Like other social media, you need to post content regularly. Then LinkedIn or any other social media will push your article or your post to lots of other people and get more engagement, guys. So again, I showed you a website where you can get hundreds of articles for free. Just copy this article, put your affiliate link and post it on here. So whenever people read these articles, and when they click this link, and it will take them to the affiliate page, and if they buy it, you make money. You can promote CP offers if you want, or you can promote any affiliate offers, guys. Here again, there's a, you can go to Google and type, can I post affiliate link on LinkedIn articles? Yes, you can share your affiliate program, product or service on LinkedIn. Post or message anything that you can share your affiliate link. So they're asking, don't spam the entire LinkedIn with your affiliate link. So post a couple of content without affiliate links, so you can get more different kind of viewers to your profile, and post some couple of contents with affiliate link, guys. I hope you understand this method where you're gonna earn money by using LinkedIn. So you're gonna promote affiliate offers using LinkedIn, and you're gonna get organic free traffic for your affiliate links, guys. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, leave a like, subscribe and share this video, and in the comment section type I like this video. So, and also if you want me to make a content in any other topic, also you can write me down in the comment section here on the blog, guys. Also, if you want to win £10 PayPal money, you know the drill. Like, subscribe and leave a comment, I like this video, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.